Read Naturally Live includes a flexible set of tools to help teachers work remotely with their students. One of these tools is the waiting list, which enables teachers to see a list of students who are on a step that requires a teacher. Another feature is Log In As, which enables a teacher to log in as a student. If they're using a screen sharing program, this gives the teacher control as the student completes a cold timing or the past activities. The Team feature enables a teacher to give Read Live assistants access to the waiting list and Log In As features for his or her students. Let's watch one teacher, Ms. Haley, use the waiting list, Log In As, and Team features with her students. Ms. Haley is just starting her morning reading lab, which she's running remotely using a separate screen sharing program. The waiting list alerts her to which students are on a step that requires her help. To get to the waiting list, Ms. Haley goes to the staff member login page, enters her account ID, user ID, and password, and clicks Login. On the home page, the badge on the waiting list tile tells Ms. Haley how many of her students are waiting for help. She clicks the tile to find out more. This page lists all students who Ms. Haley supports and who are waiting for a teacher in Read Live. Since her students may be working at the same time as she is, the waiting list may get out of date. If she notices the refresh button glowing, or any time she suspects the list is out of date, Ms. Haley clicks Refresh to update the list. Students in this list can be waiting for the cold timing or to be graded on the pass activities. The current step column indicates which of these steps the student is on. To check a student's work on the story so far, Ms. Haley clicks Details in the current story column for one of her students, Nico. Ms. Haley glances over Nico's work so far, and then clicks Back to return to the waiting list. Ms. Haley is ready to check Nico on his past activities, but she wants to run the session, so she uses the Log In As feature. Ms. Haley can tell Nico is currently logged in because the Log In As button is red. So she tells him through their screen sharing program that they're going to work together, and she's going to log him out so she can control the page. Ms. Haley clicks the Login button for Nico. Only one student session can be active at a time. This message reminds Ms. Haley that when she logs in as Nico, he'll be logged out. Since they'll be working together, it's okay to log him out, so she clicks Yes. A new tab opens in Ms. Haley's browser with her logged into Nico's student module. She shares her screen with Nico using her screen sharing program. Then she clicks the tile for the program she wants to open. On the Pass More Practice page, she clicks Conduct Pass Activities, enters her teacher credentials, and logs in. From here, they can work through the hot timing and other pass activities as they normally would, but with Ms. Haley controlling the mouse. When they finish the pass step, Ms. Haley must remember a couple of things to make the most of Nico's time. First, before returning control to Nico, she must remember to advance to a step that doesn't say Teacher Present or Waiting for Teacher in the footer. This means she has to advance from the Pass Review Work page to the Congratulations page. Or she must click Next from the Pass Remedial Actions page. Otherwise, when Nico next logs in, he'll be on a Waiting for Teacher page and will need to wait for a teacher before he can move on to his remedial work or to a new story. In addition, it's good practice for Ms. Haley to log out of the student session. It's not sufficient to just close the browser or browser tab. To make sure the session ends, Ms. Haley has to click Log Out from the student session. Then she can close the browser tab and return to the staff member module. Sometimes assistants help Ms. Haley in her Read Naturally classroom. An account administrator has already added these assistants to the program with a role of Read Live Assistant. When they're physically present with a student, Read Live assistants can log in from the student's session to conduct a cold timing or pass activities. This works well, for example, for parents who will conduct pass activities for their own children working from home or for paraprofessionals working in the classroom. But Ms. Haley wants some of her assistants to be able to work with her Read Naturally Live students remotely as well as in person. So, she adds those assistants to her team. To do this, Ms. Haley goes to the team page. This page lists all the people at her school who've already been entered in the program with a role of Read Live Assistant. Other teachers from her school are also listed and can be added to Ms. Haley's team. To add Ramona to her team, Ms. Haley just clicks her checkbox. After adding others to her team, she clicks Done Editing Team. Now when Ramona logs in from the staff member login page, she'll be able to see a waiting list that includes Ms. Haley's students. Ramona will be able to remotely conduct the cold timing or pass activities for any of Ms. Haley's students. If Ramona supports multiple classrooms, she can be added to other teachers' teams as well. We've just seen how one teacher uses the waiting list, login as, and team features in her distance learning classroom. Go to our help page to learn about additional features that can help you use Read Live in a distance learning model.